Now that 3 minutes have elapsed, your power button is a solid white. That means it's ready to use. So all you need to do is take the wand out of its holding place, press the button and get it going. So a couple of sprays away from your garment before you're ready to use it, because you do get a little bit of condensation. Cold pipe, hot steam, it only takes 10-15 seconds and you're ready to go. So now we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to use the IZZI Plus on your steam cart. We recommend getting the steam cart if you haven't already purchased it. Get online, purchase the steam cart. You'll find it's one of the best accessories that goes with the IZZI Plus. Now that you've set up your IZZI Plus, it's time to give it a go on your garments and everything else around the home. We're going to show you some examples of what you can do with it. So put on your protective glove on your opposite hand, and here we go. So as I said before, give it a couple of sprays to purge any moisture that may be in there, and that's quick and easy to do. And now here we go. So when you're doing the garment, make sure you're putting it on a hook or above or something where you can hold it. Now hold the garment down and then use the steam pressure to relax the fibre, and the creases just drop straight out. Have a look at that. We'll let the steam clear. Have a look at that. So I've only done half of that garment. You can see which one I've done. So it's important to touch the garment. Doing it from here isn't going to do the job. You have to touch the garment. So let's do the other side. Now I'm holding it tight to do that. So holding it tight. Just giving it a fair bit of steam. Have a look at that. Let's get rid of the steam there, John. Have a look at it. Perfect. Okay. So whenever you're doing a garment, put it on a coat hanger or above you so it's easier to hold on a hook. Get yourself the IZZI Plus garment steamer, the cart, and you're better off as well. So let's do another garment. I'll show you what we can do with this. Wow, look at this blouse. Same principle. Put it on the IZZI cart. Hold it tight. Have a look at that. Now make sure you're touching the garment, as I keep saying. Done, not done. And that's your safety mechanism. So when the steam passes through the garment, it condenses a little bit and it can scorch your hand, but this is here for safety. All right? So when you want to do your garments, quick and easy, that's why you bought it, okay? Or looking to buy it. You may be looking to buy it. Look into it and you can see, watch our video and you can see the many reasons why. Now, we're going to continue on and show you some other things it can do, not just a garment steamer. So let me slide this over a little bit to the side. Oh my goodness, that means it needs water. So, you can hear it pumping away, but at the same time it's beeping. But there's a little bit of water left. Have a look. There's not much water left in there, so that's why it's saying it needs a little bit of water. So let's give it a quick top up and we'll continue the demonstration. Now that you've done your garments, you can move on to other things around the home. So what about the mattress, bed bugs? Okay, very quick and easy with the IZZI Plus. Just use the steam, go over the surface for 4 or 5 seconds, and the bed bugs are gone. What about pillows, cushions, anything that's difficult to wash? You can use these IZZI Plus garment steamer, hygienic steamer, to kill 100% of dust mites and bed bugs and 99.99% of bacteria. What about that smelly hat? Okay, hit it with some steam and that'll get rid of the bacteria that creates the smell. Same with foot odor. The smell is generally caused by bacteria. So give that a spray with the high pressure steam, hygienic steam, bacteria and smell gone. And what about those kids' toys, all right, that are difficult to wash or you might damage them? Use the steam to kill bacteria, viruses and bugs. And last but not least, we're going to show you what about those pet beds. If you've got a pet at home and you want to kill any bacteria that may be living in there, or the bugs or the fleas, once again, 4 to 5 seconds over the surface. Always wearing your glove when you're doing that so you don't have any scorching or burning, and you're all done. So the IZZI Plus is not just a garment steamer. Garment steaming, that's what people are generally moving towards that these days. They're loving the garment steaming, but also it's a hygienic steamer for around the home. So whatever you think around the home, have a look at all the different ideas we've got here for you. Whatever you've got around the home that you think may need some hygiene, some hygienic work done to it, but with the steam, instead of chemicals, IZZI Plus is the way to go. Now that you've finished using your IZZI Plus garment steamer, we're going to show you how easy it is to clean and flush. So once a month or every 10 hours of use, all you need to do is flush the boiler. This is the area where the boiler is situated, and this is the boiler drain plug. Now remember, important rule, only flush it when it's 100% cold, okay? Because that's a pressurized boiler. All you need is a 10-cent coin, flathead screwdriver, and just unscrew that. And then all the impurities after boiling the water that after you've been using it, all the impurities like calcium and fluoride, anything that's in the water will come out of the tank. So just undo that. Won't take long. I'm a little bit unca with my left hand, and there you go. And then just let the water run out. Okay, so that's all you need to do once a month to keep your IZZI clean and performing perfectly.